Okay. So, check deposited but not cleared. That was the check deposited not found. Check deposited but not collected. That is the point. Check deposited means check is received. Received in the business. Okay? In the business, the check is received. So we have the cash book, passbook. Check is received. Immediately what we show? We show that there is increase in bank balance. That is say rupees 70 rupees increase. So how much is the total now? It became 170. Check is received, but it is not collected. The amount has not come in the bank account. So here it is only 100 itself. Now, from this 170 to make it 100, what we have to do? What we have to do? Cameras having trouble. Okay. We have to deduct 70 minus 70. You're not getting it? It's not striking? This is just an example. This is just an example. Okay? Cash book and passbook. Both were having same balances. You understood what is passbook? It is a book prepared by the bank. So this is bank, the book prepared by the bank about the business bank transactions. In the cash book means we always talk about the double column cash book. Double column cash book, because double column cash book is having the bank amount column. So when you receive a check is received. So what happens? The business immediately will record it in the cash book. Say if it is 70 rupees, we have recorded immediately in the cash book, in the bank column. So the bank balance in the cash book, now it has increased to 170. 100 plus 70, 170. But not collected. That means it is not deposited in the bank. The business has received a check, but we haven't deposited it into the bank. This check should be collected, no? The amount from that account should be collected. That is not done. So passbook remains 100 only. Now, to bring it to passbook, we have to make this 170 same as 100. What to do? We have to deduct this 70. Then only we'll reach to passbook balance. Correct? So this item, check deposited but not collected up to March 31st, rupees 2000. What we'll do? We will minus. See, we will write it under minus. Subtraction. We will subtract this from cash book balance. Okay. Cash book balance. See here, when you start here in this question, you are given balance as per cash book. That is okay. You are clear with it. Balance as per cash book is given. Now we have to make it or bring it same as passbook. We are bringing it, matching it with the passbook. We don't know what is the passbook balance. It is not given in the question, but still our intention is to bring it or to match it with the passbook balance. So you are given cash book. So what we are going to do? We are going to make adjustments in the cash book. We cannot do anything with the passbook. It is already prepared by the bank. Okay, so we can only make changes in the cash book. That's why we are making alterations to the cash book to bring it to the passbook balance. Okay, now, so these two are clear. Check issued but not presented for payment. Check deposited but not clear. Now let us see the next one, bank charges. Bank charges. What is that bank charges? Bank charges is some compulsory charge, like a charge which is withdrawn from the account. The bank take it for some of their services. It is a charge paid to the bank. So bank will deduct. Bank charges means bank will automatically deduct some amount from your account. Bank charges. Bank is making some charge. So this is your passbook. You have your passbook, cash book. So this change is happening where it is taking place in the passbook. So sometimes, suppose if the bank charges rupees 20, this is just an example. Cash book and passbook shows 100 rupees balance. Same. Now there is a bank charge. So bank has reduced 20 rupees, has withdrawn 20 rupees from your account. Now your bank balance is 80. Correct? Yes. Now we have to bring this cash book same as 80. We have to make it 80. How do you make it 80? We will reduce 20 from here also. Then we'll make it 80. So we are bringing it to the passbook balance. For that, we have to make adjustment to the cash book. So coming here to this question, bank charges 150. So that should be reduced. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to balance. Either you can balance, you can use that. Here you will have 2,150 and here you will have the total. How much? 5,000. This side 5,000, positive side 5,000, negative side 2,150. So 5,000 same as the balancing of your account. 5,000. 5,000 minus 2,150. So this is actually the passbook balance. Whatever figure you get after reducing, means after that adjustment. Now we have brought the cash book same as passbook. So this balancing figure, actually it is the passbook balance. So what we have done here is we understood what was the differences. We understood that there was a check issued not presented for payment. So we added it back. Check deposited but not clear. There was an item like that. We reduced it. Bank charges was there. We reduced it from the cash balance. That was the changes. Like that, these were the reasons for the difference between cash book balance and passbook balance. So by doing it this way, we found out the differences and made it equal. Is this clear? So these are the questions where balance as per cash book is given. So we are going to make changes to the cash book. Okay. Now, so taking two hands together, left hand, give it for passbook. Okay, we use it rarely. So let it be constant, passbook. We are going to make changes to cash book, which is on the right hand. So bank charges is okay now. Okay. Now let's take the first case. Check issued. Okay. Check issued, but not presented for payment. So the passbook and cash book both are same. Now, check issued. Who is issuing the check? Business is issuing the check. Okay, business has issued the check. So when the check is given, what the business do? It will immediately record in the cash book. Cash book. How is it recorded? Cash gone. My bank balance reduced. So what happens? Cash book reduced. Cash book reduced. Correct? Cash book reduced. So, but passbook is on up. Now, what to do with this right hand now? We have to bring it same as passbook. So what should be done? Add it back. Bring it up. We have to match it with the passbook. So bring this cash book up. To bring it up, we add. Think. Okay, no? Okay. Take the next case. Check deposited. Now, the thing is, you should understand the sentences. Check issued but not presented for payment. That means that check issued. Company is issuing a check. Company is giving a check. You should understand that. Check deposited. Check deposited means company gets a check. Yes, come back. Left hand is for passbook. Right hand is for cash book. Now it is both are same. Both are same. Okay. Check deposited. Check deposited. That means check came inside. So the company writes in the double column cash book, my bank balance increased. Check received. Check received means I'll get the money no someday. When I take the check to the bank, I'll definitely get money. That is our assumption. Okay. So check received. The company writes in the cash book, my bank balance increased. Where is the passbook? It is down. Money is not there. You only got the check. Money haven't come here. We haven't deposited the money here in the bank account. So the cash book, we have to bring it down. To match it with the passbook, the hand has gone up. So what to do? We have to bring it down. Yes. So when the cash book, think like this, when the cash book balance is given, your left hand, use your left hand as a passbook. Why left hand? We normally use it rarely. Always we do most of the things with our right hand, which is our cash book. We are making alterations to the cash book. Now is the concept clear? Is there anyone still in doubt? Anybody? Then let us try doing the next question. We'll use the hands and do. Okay? On March 31st, 2017. The second question. Did you finish this? The first one? Completed? Okay. Is there anyone who haven't completed? On March, the second question. On March 31, 2017, the cash book showed, again, you are given cash book balance. Okay? Cash book showed a balance of rupees 3,700 as cash at bank. So cash book means we are, keep this in your mind, we are talking about the double column cash book, and the balance we are talking about is the bank balance. Okay. But the bank passbook made up to same date showed that checks of rupees 700, 300 and 180. There are three checks, 700, 300, 180 had not presented for payment. See, when the business prepared the cash book, they got the balance. The cash book balance is 3,700. Okay. So the business had issued these many checks. Issued means what? Given. Issued. Given these many checks. Okay. But they understand that these are not presented for payment. Presented for payment. That means business issued these many checks, but these many amounts haven't gone from the bank account. It is still there in the bank account. The business issued check, but that is not presented. There was a lazy customer. He didn't go to the bank on the same day. He decided to go some other day. So the bank account remains the same. The same amount is still there in the bank account. Okay. Now then, also check amounting to rupees 1,200 deposited into the account had not been credited. This was deposited. 1,200 was deposited. That shows that in the cash book, bank is more, but actually that haven't reached the bank account. Wait, let us take our hands now. Cash book is your right hand. No problem. You take your hand, raise your hand. No problem. Let us do together. Cash book, passbook, it was same. Okay. Now, what was the first case? 3 checks are issued. There are 3 checks, 700, 300, 180. Together, amount is 1,000 plus 180, 1,180. Okay. 3 checks together, 1,180. These checks were issued. Look at the hands, please. Passbook on the left hand, cash book on the right hand. Okay. These checks were issued. Issued means what? It gone, it went. Passbook is up, cash book is down. That amount is not gone from the bank account. It is still there in the bank account, but not there in the cash book. Okay, so make it equal. Bring it up. Cash book, bring it up. So we have to add it back. Correct? Yes. Come to the second one. Check amounting to rupees 1,200 deposited. Yeah. Again, taking the 2 hands, passbook and cash book. 1,200 deposited. I mean, like it is received. Check is received. So immediately the business will record that I got the money, cash book increased, but passbook is there itself. So bring it down, bring your hand down. We need to make it equal. Okay. Is it clear now? It is only the case of this addition and subtraction. You just have to understand. You should get that technique. Those who have completed this, go to question number 3. Question number 3. Please read and I'll ask you what to do. Question number 3. If you have completed this, I hope you understood how to find out this balance. That is okay, no? You add up both the columns, then same like account balancing. The greater number, you will write it on the both the sides, both the column. Then subtract. Okay. Alan, reading the question number 3? Okay, good, good. Read. Take your own time. Don't rush. Take it down neatly. Understand what you're doing. Question number 3. Yes. Shall we start? Okay. What is the balance given to you?
7,800.
That is the cash balance. Balance as per the cash book is given to you. Okay. Get ready with both your hands. Okay. Passbook on your left hand. Yes. Cash book on your right hand. Okay. Now, check deposited in bank but not credited. Tell me what to do with that. Check is deposited. Check deposited. Check deposited means what? Check came inside. Okay? Check came inside the business. So immediately the business wrote, I got the cash. Bank balance increased. Passbook is first, both of them are same. Okay? Check deposited means check received in the business. Business received check. So immediately the business wrote bank balance increased. Bank balance increased. Okay. So bank balance increased. Like in the cash book, bank balance increased. In the cash book, okay, cash book, bank balance increased. So to bring it to passbook, what to do? It should be reduced. Bring it down. Cash book balance went up. Cash book balance went up because the business recorded it that check received. So bring it down. 3,000 rupees. So check deposited but not credited. You will write the amount under minus, less column, less. You will reduce it. Okay. The next one, next case. If you're writing, please write. Next one. Pranav will tell me the next one. Check issued but not yet presented. You may write it. You may complete your notes, Pranav. I'll give you time. Okay. Yes. Ready with the second one? Pranav, tell me. Check issued but not yet presented for payment. What to do?
It means check went out.
Check went out. Okay. That means
We'll
bank
add.
cash book reduced. Correct? Cash book. In the cash book, bank column, we show it as reduction. No? I'm wrong? Check issued. I'll tell you. See. Take both the hands. Check issued. Left hand is the passbook, right hand is the cash book. Check issued, check gone out. So in the cash book, got reduced. Okay, cash book, it got reduced. Check gone out. Now to make it matching, we have to bring it up. Bring it up means we have to add it back. Okay. Check is issued by the business, but it is not presented for payment. That means money from the bank account, it has not gone. It is not withdrawn. The business has given that check paper. The document is given, but that doesn't mean that amount got reduced from the bank account. It is still there in the bank account. Okay. We'll do this problem. Try to complete it as homework. Try to do it. Try. We'll do it in the next class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. See you on Thursday. Revise this. You should take effort. Okay. Understand the words, understand cash deposited, cash issued. I mean, check issued. What does that mean? Read and understand the concept. Okay. See you on Thursday.